Hey guys, it's Regina from Eat Travel Life. Today we're making chicken pot pie. Let's go ahead and get started. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. Let's grab your apron and let's get going. Start out by melting butter and flour together and whisk this together, and we're going to make a paste. Next, go ahead and chop your chicken breasts in pieces and get that flour and butter really melted together. You're going to let that melt for about a minute or so. Next, go ahead and add in your spices and then your chicken broth. And we're going to whisk this until it is smooth. So go ahead and get a whisk and just whisk away. It's going to take a little bit. It'll be worth it. Then go ahead and add in your carrots and peas and your chopped chicken. Stir that all together and ensure that it's well incorporated. And let's go ahead and bring this to a boil. Let's go ahead and grab our puff pastry after adding salt and pepper to this. And we're going to cut this a little larger than our baking dish. Mine's a bowl. So cut it around it and give it a good inch around and add those slits now because it'll be easier than trying to do that once everything's in the bowl. Well, now that we've got everything to a boil, it's time to go ahead and put this in the oven. Let me know below what veggies you like to put in your pot pie. Evenly distribute this into your baking dishes if you have more than one. We have two, so we are evenly putting the veggies and chicken, and we will also take the broth and pour that into each dish evenly, or as even as possible. This isn't science, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to make sure that some of that juice goes into both of them, and then put the puff pastry on top. See how those slits are great? Put it in the oven. I put it on a baking sheet so because it was easier to handle. You bake it at 350 for about 45 minutes until it's golden brown, and that was amazing. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Have a great day.